How to remove suggested files from Google Drive. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove such suggested files from Google Drive. So as you can see, there are suggested files folders being recommended. So previously we used to go to settings just like this, and here used to be option where we can easily disable the such feature or option. So currently it has no feature or option available to directly hide it. So we can basically do this instead of hiding, but it's not a conventional. So what is we can do is just click on this option button over here, three dot, and just click on this not a helpful suggestion, and you can do this for each file or folder which you not want on this suggested file or suggested interface, just like this. And when you do that, what the Google Drive recognize it that it will no longer try to show the files or folders which you do that to your home screen, just like this. So I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.